Hello students, welcome to PNMRC e-classes. Today we are going to solve next questions of exercise 1.1. You have to make a 200-page classwork for mathematics where you have to note down all the questions which I am solving during these e-classes. So let's start with question number 2, that is, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? You have to calculate Jack's score after 5 successive rounds. So, score of Jack in 5 successive rounds are 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. So, total score will be 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Students, I have sorted out the positive integers towards the left side and negative integers towards the right side. So, 25 is positive integer, 15 is a positive integer and 10 is the positive integer. So, 25 plus 15 plus 10, that comes to be 50. And minus 5 plus minus 10, that is minus 5 minus 10 comes to be minus 15. 50 minus 15, that is 35. So, total numbers scored by Jack is equal to 35. So, answer will be 35. Now students, our third question of exercise 1.1 is, at Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. So, temperature of Srinagar on Monday will be minus 5 degrees Celsius and then it dropped means decreases by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Then what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? You have to calculate temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. On Wednesday it rose means increases by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature of this on this day? You have to calculate temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday. So, temperature of Srinagar on Monday, that is equal to minus 5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, temperature dropped by means decreases by 2 degrees Celsius. Therefore, temperature on Tuesday, that is equal to minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. That comes to be minus 7 degrees Celsius. As you know student, the answer carries the sign of bigger number and here the bigger number is 5 and it carries minus sign. So, answer will also carry minus sign. Now, we have to calculate temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday. So, on Wednesday, temperature rose means increases by 4 degrees Celsius. Therefore, temperature on Wednesday is equal to minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius minus plus minus. So, you have to subtract 4 from 7. That comes to be minus 3. Again, the answer carries the sign of a bigger number and here the bigger number is 7 and 7 carries the sign of minus. So, answer will also carry the sign of minus. Fourth question of exercise 1.1 is, a plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. This is the sea level. Plane is flying 5,000 meters above sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine. This is submarine floating 1,200 meters below. So, this submarine is floating 1,200 meters below the sea level. The sea level, what is the vertical distance between them? You have to tell the distance between this plane and this submarine. Students, if we consider sea level as 0, then height of plane is above the sea level, that is plus 5,000 meter. The height of submarine below sea level is equal to minus 1,200 meter. So, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the distance between plane and submarine. Therefore, the distance between plane and submarine is equal to difference in their heights. that is equal to 5000 meter minus 1200 meter. Minus plus. So 5000 plus 1200 comes to be 6000, comes to be 6200. So answer is 6200. So we can say that the distance between plane and submarine is 6200 meters. So students, this was the end of today's session. We will meet again with the remaining questions of exercise 1.1. Students, I am again repeating, you have to make 200 pages classwork for mathematics, where you have to note down all the questions which I am solving during each session. Thank you and have a nice day.